Uh, Good morning, ma'am.
Hi Aditya, good morning.
Ma'am, actually, I had few questions to ask. एक छोटा सा इंटरव्यू करना था. It's a fun interview.
अच्छा,
It will hardly take 10 to 15 minutes. If you don't mind, can I ask?
yeah, absolutely.
Okay, ma'am. So I'll start with some personal questions. What was your honest reaction on day one of your community medicine residency?
Actually, to be honest, I was very excited because community medicine is a branch जो कि मैंने काफी सोचने के बाद and discussion के बाद I had taken by my choice.
Okay.
So when I had joined the institution, I was all hyped up.
Okay. Which moment made you think कि okay, this branch is actually interesting?
पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट की बात करें तो आई थिंक द फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन आई वेंट टू ओपीडी
Okay.
my first posting was in a village named Dhaba. So that is in Rajasthan. And when I had gone there, मेरी OPD posting के लिए, at that time I realized कि okay, it's not just about seeing the patients. It's beyond that also. क्योंकि
Okay.
what happens there is कि वहाँ पे एक नदी है that is heavily polluted. And one of my seniors, she was doing a project related to that. And that is when I realized that community medicine is beyond OPD. It takes into consideration a lot of other things as well,
Okay.
which affect the public health.
So, ma'am, what was the biggest cultural shock when the residency started?
Cultural shock. Actually, I went into a culture which was partially known to me. My
Okay.
mother belongs to Rajasthan, तो काफी चीजें मुझे पता थी. But one thing that really surprised me, women were very reluctant to open up. बहुत बार ऐसा होता था कि the complaint is of a woman, but complaints कौन describe कर रहा है? उनके husband.
Okay.
So that was of that was very different for me. And हम लोग अगर insist करते थे कि you tell us कि आपको क्या problem है,
हाँ.
they never used to open their mouth. And
Okay.
सब कुछ husband या mother-in-law या दूसरे relatives बताते थे. That was a little different.
Okay. So, ma'am, now few questions about the reality check. Before joining, what did you think community medicine residents actually do all day?
Actually, what I had heard, what community medicine residents do is कि आते हैं, biometric या attendance लगाते हैं, they have fun all day and they just go back like any other सरकारी job holding person.
Okay.
So that was my impression of community medicine. And like I remember a very funny thing that one of my professors in UG, he used to call community medicine as Makhi Machhar department. So that was another impression in my mind.
Okay.
So, yeah, that was it.
So, which stereotype about community medicine residency annoys you the most?
That it's a very cramming and boring subject.
हाँ.
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है.
Okay.
Even though PARC is a very good sedative, I agree
Okay.
to that. But the subject itself, it's very vast. It's very unique in its own ways. Because ये ऐसी चीजों को केटर करता है जो कि बाकी सब सब्जेक्ट से थोड़ा ओवरलैप करते हैं. बट डिस्टिंक्ट ये है कि वी टेक केयर ऑफ द रूट प्रॉब्लम
Yes.
instead of a person developing the illness and then seeking care. We try to work at what is causing the problem so that him or her and other people are not falling ill. So
Okay.
ये प्रिंसिपल जब कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन का समझ में आता है, at that point of time we realize कि it's not just a subject जिसको आपको रटना है और सिर्फ पेपर में जाके वॉमिट करना है. That is not the case. It's a very practical and a very applicable subject.
Okay. And what part of residency would surprise most MBBS students if they like community medicine?
What part of residency? I think they would be very interested to see the field visits, go for the field visits, see different aspects such as like public health lab visits, because these are not generally considered as a part of MBBS curriculum. सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन ये आता है कि डॉक्टर्स को ये सब सीखने की क्या जरूरत है. एंटोमोलॉजिकल सर्वेलेंस है.
Hmm.
For that matter, I feel even biostats, because bio के most of the students they leave maths behind. They are very scared of that.
Yes, ma'am.
But जब biostats वापस आता है तो it's like okay, एक चीज से पीछे छुड़ाया था and it's come back to haunt us again.
Yes, ma'am.
So I feel that these things will surprise them a lot. And
Okay.
शुरू में ये feel होगा कि being a doctor हमें ये सब सीखने की क्या जरूरत है. But later on, as we realize its bigger health implication, I think COVID has been one of the biggest eye openers for all.
Yes.
So yes.
It was a turning point, ma'am, COVID. Okay. So, ma'am, thoda questions about the future and career, like the future scope for people who are confused about ki community medicine ke aage kya hai. So, how has residency changed what you want to do in the future?
I feel that residency has not changed what I want to do in the future, but yes, it has showed me more options than what I knew when I had entered into the course.
Okay.
So, जब मैंने community medicine लेने का सोचा था, at that point of time, I only knew कि I will be getting research as well as the clinical exposure. दोनों चीजें रहेंगी. And
Okay.
I found that balance to be really good.
Okay.
But as I went ahead in my residency, I realized that actually it is a portal for a lot of other things. For example, अगर हम research की बात करें, तो research itself is a very big domain. For that matter, many of the other specialties, they come to community medicine to understand statistics and its implications. It's not just simple maths.
Yes.
कि हम यहाँ पे biology से deal करते हैं.
हाँ.
So first of all, that research aspect, applying statistics to a medical field, that is something which I feel a community medicine expert can do the best. So
Okay.
that is one aspect. And इसका application, as you know, कि research कितना demand में है अभी. So that is a little bit implied from that.
Okay.
Then-
I agree, ma'am.
Yeah. And then another thing is clinical. If you feel that clinical exposure is something which really interests you, so one of the things can be you can set up your own OPD, or for that matter, you can further pursue family medicine fellowship and go ahead from there. So that is another thing that can be done.
Okay.
And the third thing which I see as a huge domain is the public health and policy formulation. So in this, basically, जो भी administrative हमारे posts रहते हैं, in that community medicine has a good role, because administrative aspects बाकी doctors से ज़्यादा community medicine experts को सिखाए जाते हैं. So in the leading and managerial positions, for example, leading a hospital, leading a particular team which is into policy formulations, that is something which I feel community medicine experts can do the best.
Okay.
So that is another aspect. That is one thing.
Okay. So, which career options looks most exciting to you right now and why? Because ma'am, आपका just अभी residency complete हुआ है and you are a faculty now, senior resident. So ma'am, कौन सा आपको लगता है कि according to you after this you are planning to do, या फिर आप अपने juniors को suggest करेंगे?
Juniors, I would suggest that they should go with their guts. They should go with residency is actually a very good period जहाँ पे वो ये समझ सकते हैं कि उनका interest कौन से domain में है. Out of the 3 domains which I mentioned.
Yes, ma'am.
तो वो अपना domain, अपना interest समझने के बाद they can choose what they wish to go for. मेरा I still feel that मेरा residency phase has been a little prolonged, because now I am experiencing teaching all the more. Though मेरे residency में भी था, but teaching aspect भी I am experiencing a lot more now. So I feel I'll give it a little bit more time कि मैं कौन से domain में narrow down करना चाहूँगी. But yeah, I feel it should be more of a gut feeling call.
Okay. So ma'am, do you feel community medicine keeps more doors open than it closes?
Absolutely. मैं इसके बिल्कुल फेवर में हूँ. I feel community medicine is one of the branches जो मैक्सिमम डोर्स ओपन करती है, बिकॉज बाकी सब ब्रांचेस में क्या है कि यू ईदर हैव क्लिनिकल एक्सपोजर और यू कैन गो इनटू रिसर्च एज वेल, बट कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन में यू होल्ड द चॉइस. फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम कि आपको हार्डकोर रिसर्च में जाना है या आपको क्लिनिक्स में स्पेशलाइज करना है या फिर फॉर दैट मैटर आपको एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव एंड पॉलिसी फॉर्मुलेशंस में जाना है. सो इट कीप्स अ लॉट ऑफ डोर्स ओपन एंड सिंस देयर आर सो मेनी डोमेन्स अंडर कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन सो नेचुरली द स्कोप, the employment opportunities, they are much more, and that too not just national, international opportunities also fall much easier in the bag of community medicine specialists, I feel.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Rightly said. मैम कुछ स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो कि ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं या दे आर कंफ्यूज कि व्हाट टू डू, हु आर एस्पिरेंट्स आल्सो फॉर नीट पीजी, एंड इफ okay, so if a junior calls you at midnight confused about choosing community medicine, what would you say?
See, I think this is one thing which I have experienced a lot till date. When people call and ask me how is community medicine as a branch, तो मेरा उनसे सबसे पहला सवाल रहता है कि उनकी प्रायोरिटी क्या है,
Okay.
what is it that they are seeking? Are they choosing community medicine out of a compulsion? कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेरे को और कोई ब्रांच नहीं मिल रही, मेरे को नहीं समझ में आ रहा, सो आई एम चूजिंग दिस, और आर दे चूजिंग दिस बिकॉज दे फील दैट दे कैन एक्सेल इन दिस पर्टिकुलर फील्ड एंड दे कैन कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट समथिंग नाइसली. सो मैं उनसे सबसे पहले यही पूछना चाहूंगी कि विच आई यूजुअली डू कि व्हाट दे एनविसाज फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर फील्ड, एंड देन आई टेल देम कि दिस आई फील इज अ वेरी बैलेंस्ड फील्ड which
Okay.
lets you explore yourself. आप अपने अंदर झांक के आप देख सकते हो कि आपकी कौन सी प्रॉपर्टीज या आपकी कौन सी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है which are the most strong, and accordingly you can choose what you like. So plus एक और चीज ये है कि अगर इनिशियली बहुत ज्यादा क्लैरिटी नहीं भी है कि ठीक है मैम मुझे क्लिनिक्स भी पसंद है लेकिन मुझे रिसर्च भी अच्छा लगता है, मैं दोनों में आई एम अ लिटिल कंफ्यूज, सो इवन देन इट इज अ वेरी गुड फील्ड, क्योंकि जब तुम हैंड्स ऑन दोनों चीजों का एक्सपीरियंस लेते हो इंटर्नशिप से, इट इज वेरी गुड. सो दैट इज व्हेन यू गेट टू नो कि एग्जैक्टली क्या ऐसी चीज है जो आपको ज्यादा पसंद आ रही है, विच इज क्लिकिंग विद यू.
Okay. And what is that one mistake you made in residency that juniors can avoid, if any?
I feel that I was very closed off.
Okay.
I used to be very reluctant to seek help and seek guidance. So I feel that एक चीज जो मैं अपने जूनियर से कहना चाहूंगी, stay in touch with the faculty.
Okay.
And talk to them. They tell you things which you will not be able to get from internet or any other sources. किसी का lived experience आपको बहुत अच्छा सिखा सकता है.
Okay.
So I feel कि I used to be a little closed off. People can be more open.
Okay. I believe ma'am community medicine makes you more open in the field because आप 10 लोगों से जाके बात करते हो, so it makes you more extrovert, I believe. What that one skill outside the textbooks helped you the most during MD?
Communication skill.
Okay.
Like even though I was a little closed off from in the department, but in the field I used to be very comfortable and open with the people. I feel communication skill is one thing which can really go a long way, because किसी भी पेशेंट का, किसी भी इंसान का फॉर दैट मैटर, किसी भी चीज को लेके रिलक्टेंस है या कोई भी चीज है, सो टॉकिंग टू देम helps us get to know कि exact barrier क्या है.
Okay.
And through conversation you can impart such knowledge to them कि आप उनके barriers को overcome करने में help कर सकते हैं. So I feel that one-on-one connect with people whom you meet at ground, that is one thing which is really helpful.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, so ma'am, now the fun part has started. It's a rapid fire. Some fiery questions I will ask. 2 option दूंगा, उसमें से आपको एक choose करना है. And if you want to justify, you can justify that also. Okay, so thesis deadline or field posting?
Any day, any day.
Okay, data collection or data cleaning?
Data cleaning, my favorite job.
Okay, SPSS panic or Viva panic?
SPSS panic. I know
Okay.
I can read and handle. Viva.
One thing every community medicine resident complains about, जो आप भी करते थे.
मतलब इट्स टू वास्ट, इट्स टू ह्यूज, मतलब ये भी पढ़ना है, वो भी पढ़ना है, क्या पढ़ना है, कहाँ से पढ़ना है, इट्स टू डिफिकल्ट टू गेट अ क्लियर पाथवे.
Okay. Residency life in one emoji without using an emoji. Last few questions, ma'am. One thing no one warned you about community medicine residency.
That initially you will be too confused. It will be कि मैं क्या करूं, मैं कहाँ से शुरू करूं, मैं इस चीज पे फोकस करूं या मैं उस चीज पे फोकस करूं. शुरू के 6 महीने you will have no idea कि आप क्या कर रहे हो और क्यों कर रहे हो. But yeah, gradually you will get a lot of good insight.
Okay. One reason you would still choose this branch again.
I feel this branch gives me independence.
Okay.
I can play multiple roles. मैं एक ही रोल में फंसी हुई नहीं हूँ. If I want to, I can dive into the research aspect. If I want to, I can go for patient examination, patient welfare also. And if I want to, मैं बहुत सारे लोगों को एक साथ address भी कर सकती हूँ. I can talk to a community as well. तो इट्स नॉट जस्ट वन प्लेस जहाँ पे इट्स नॉट अ रट फॉर मी कि मैं हर दिन जा रही हूँ, वही सेम चीज कर रही हूँ और आ रही हूँ. सो आई लाइक दैट फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी.
Okay, ma'am. Your honest message to juniors watching this video.
ओके, सो कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन जो तुमने एमबीबीएस में एक्सपीरियंस किया था और जो तुम रेजिडेंसी में एक्सपीरियंस करोगे, दे आर पोल्स अपार्ट. एंड जैसे हमें इस सब्जेक्ट की बहुत ज्यादा रेलेवेंस समझ में नहीं आती थी एमबीबीएस में, रेजिडेंसी में डेफिनेटली समझ आती है, बिकॉज यू डाइव वेरी डीप इनटू द सब्जेक्ट.
Okay.
आपको उसके रिलेटेड स्पेशलिस्ट, उसके रिलेटेड फैकल्टी मिलते हैं, एंड दे आर एबल टू टेल यू कि ओके हमने ये किया, हमने ये अचीव किया, एंड दैट इज द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ द चेंज दैट वी वर एबल टू ब्रिंग. सो
Okay.
आई फील it's a really good subject if you like multiple things at a time, and if you crave for that work life balance, जो कि बाकी काफी सारी फील्ड्स में नहीं होता है काफी बार, and it is something which you can definitely give a thought to.
Okay. And ma'am, anything आप जो नॉन मेडिकोज हैं उनको बताना चाहेंगे कि व्हाट इज कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन फॉर देम?
I think
बिकॉज काफी लोगों को पता नहीं होता कि कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन क्या है.
I think this will be a very important section, and जितने भी लोग मेरे से आके पूछते हैं कि मैं किस चीज की डॉक्टर हूँ, उनके लिए ये कॉमन जवाब है. कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन इज अ फील्ड जो कि बहुत ही ज्यादा वास्ट है, एक अम्ब्रेला की तरह है जिसमें सब कुछ आता है, बट एक कोई चीज स्पेसिफिक नहीं आती है. इसमें मैं आपको यही बताना चाहूंगी कि कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन डॉक्टर इज अ डॉक्टर जो कि डॉक्टर वाले सारे रोल्स भी प्ले करता है, एंड उसके अलावा द पर्सन ट्राइज टू अंडरस्टैंड कि एग्जैक्ट प्रॉब्लम कहाँ से आ रही है, क्या हो रहा है, एंड उस चीज पे भी काम करने की कोशिश करता है. द डॉक्टर हु ट्राइज टू कीप यू हेल्दी एंड सेफ बिफोर यू फॉल सिक. सो आई थिंक वी आर द पीपल you should come to if you do not want to fall in. That is one thing.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much for the interview, ma'am. It was a great insight I got from you. I'm sure काफी लोगों को काफी फायदा होगा, काफी चीजें पता चली होंगी about community medicine. Thank you so much, ma'am.